we have fantastic news. But first, welcome to March. This is the progress report for the Embassy Heights based here in Rumi Road, South Sea, and the progress is going great. Now, as you can see behind me, we are finally done with the shell and the core, with plaster work currently on the 8th floor and walling on the 10th floor. Now, as for the interior work, that is set to start today, with tiling currently on the first floor. And even greater news, we have a ready show house just for you. So if you'd like to book a visit to the show house or reserve a unit at any of our other developments, you can dial 0703 888 222 or 0713 888 222. Maestro Homes, exquisite property, exquisite value.